Scaffolding safety gear is seriously non-negotiable if you want to keep yourself from getting hurt on the job. Alright, so first off, always rock a hard hat because falling stuff happens way more than you think and you don't want to be the one with a cracked skull. Then, wear a harness every single time you're up high. No exceptions. Because it's your lifeline if you slip. Non-slip boots are clutch too. They keep your feet glued when things get sketchy on those metal bars. Guardrails are a huge deal. They act like a safety bubble around the edges so you don't accidentally take a nosedive. Don't forget safety netting underneath the scaffolding. It's like a backup plan for catching anything or anyone who falls. Check your gear before you climb. No one wants a busted harness or loose guardrails. Keep your tools secure so they don't drop on someone below and cause chaos. And finally, if you're ever unsure about the setup, speak up and get it checked. Your safety's worth way more than pride. One of the biggest issues with scaffolding safety is not using a harness properly, which can lead to serious falls. Always double check that your harness fits snug and is attached correctly. Another common mistake is skipping guardrails or having them installed wrong, making the edges super risky. Fix this by making sure every platform has solid, secure guardrails installed before work starts. The third problem is ignoring safety netting or using damaged nets that won't catch anything if someone slips. Replace nets regularly and inspect them for tears so they actually do their job. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't cut corners on safety. For contractors, it's a great spot to connect with people looking for skilled pros, so you can get steady work and build your rep in the community.